Hi, this is teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. We are now at the exercises under Unit 41, but before we will start, can you still remember what are the rules on Unit 41? Okay, good. So let's start with 41.1. Answer with do you, doesn't she, or did he? Okay, so let's read the first one. I speak 4 languages. Okay, so I speak, one person. So the answer should be do you, because this said or they speak with one person too. Okay, so which ones? Okay, number 2, I work in a bank. Okay, so do you? I work in a bank too. Okay, next one is I didn't go to work yesterday. Okay, didn't, that is in negative form, so your answer should be in positive one. So did you? Were you ill? Okay, where is the past tense of are? Are you ill? Like that. Okay, next one is Jane doesn't like me. Okay, doesn't. Okay, so does she? Why not? Okay, next is you look tired. You look tired. Am I? I feel fine. Okay, and the last one is Kate phoned me last night. Okay, doesn't she? What did she say? Okay, so on 41.1 you can see that if the first statement is in negative form, your answer should be in positive one. Okay, so let's go now on 41.2. Answer with have you, haven't you, did she, or didn't she? Okay, number 1, I've bought a new car. Have you? What make is it? Okay, so I've here is a contraction of I have. Okay, so I told you last time that if you saw some verbs here like have, are, do, you should have that in your answer. Okay, so I've is have you. Okay, next one is Tim doesn't eat meat. Okay, Tim is a boy, so doesn't. Okay, so doesn't he? What does he eat? Fish? Okay, next one is I've lost my key. Have you? When did you last have it? Okay, so I've is the contraction of I have, so have you. Okay, next one is Sue can't drive. Can't she? She should learn. Okay, next is I was born in Italy. Are you? I didn't know that. Okay, so you can see here that if the first sentence is in positive form, your answer should be in positive form too. If the sentence is in negative form, your answer should be in negative too. Okay, so let's continue. Number 6. I didn't sleep well last night. Okay, didn't you? Was the bed uncomfortable? Okay, number 7. There's a film on TV tonight. Is there? Are you going to watch it? Okay, so next one is I'm not happy. Aren't you? Why not? Okay, next is I saw Paula last week. Did you? How is she? Okay, next is Maria works in a factory. Does she? What kind of factory? Okay, next is I won't be here next week. Won't you? Where will you be? Okay, and the last one is the clock isn't working. Isn't it? It was working yesterday. Okay, so again, on 41.1, if you saw the first sentence in negative form, your second sentence should be in positive one. Okay, on 41.2, if you saw this first sentence in positive form, your answer or the second should be in positive too. But if you saw your first sentence in negative form, the next sentence should be in negative form too. Okay, so don't be confused about that. Okay, now let's go on the 41.3 or the third exercise. Complete these sentences with a question tag. Okay, so like, isn't it, haven't you? Okay, so let's read number 1. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Okay, yes, it's perfect. So the first sentence or the first phrases are in positive form, so the question tag should be in negative. Okay, so let's go now number 2. These flowers are nice. Okay, aren't they? Yes, what are they? Okay, so we used they because these flowers. Okay, and here is the word are. Okay, next one is Jane was at the party, wasn't she? Was, and Jane is a girl. Okay, so yes, but I didn't speak to her. Number 4, you've been to Paris, haven't you? Okay, you've is you have. Okay, so we use have and then you. So haven't you? Okay, so yes, many times. Next is you speak German, aren't you? Okay, so yes, but not very well. Next is Martin looks tired, isn't he? Okay, so we use isn't he here because Martin is just one and he is a man. Okay, so yes, he works very hard. And the last one is you'll help me, won't you? Okay, we use won't here because you'll is a contraction of you will. Okay, so will is the positive form and won't is in the negative form. Yes, of course, I will do. Okay, so on 41.3, question tag in negative form. Let's go now on the last part. 41.4. Complete the sentences with a question tag positive. Okay, or negative. So on 41.1, the question tag should be positive or negative. Okay, so let's start. You haven't got a car, have you? No, I can't drive. Okay, so you can see if the first phrase is in negative form, your question tag should be in positive one. Okay, negative, positive. So let's continue. You aren't tired, are you? Okay, aren't, negative, are is in positive one. No, I feel fine. Okay, next is Lisa is a very nice person, isn't she? Yes, everybody likes her. Isn't, is. Okay, you can play the piano, can't you? Yes, but I'm not very good. Can't, can. You don't know Mike's sister, do you? No, I've never met her. Do you? Don't. Okay, Sarah went to university, doesn't she? Okay, Sarah, she doesn't. Okay, because in the first statement it said that Sarah went to university. Okay, so that is in positive and then negative. Yes, she studied psychology. Next, the film wasn't very good, was it? Wasn't, was it? Okay, no, it was terrible. Next is Anna lives near you, doesn't she? That's right, in the same street. Last one is you won't tell anybody what I said, will you? Will you? Won't. Okay, so no, of course not. Okay, so that will be all for today. I want you to review how to answer the question tag in positive and negative form. Again, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. See you on the next video. Bye!